Hi guys, my name is Barbie. I am Mr. Myers' sister, and he had a birthday Saturday, so he's still resting over that deal. So he asked me if I could come up here and speak with you guys, and I've never really done this before, but I'm going to do my best. Okay. Well, he told me we're going to talk about one-step equations. Z.6 is the lesson. And what he wanted to make sure that you guys understood is that you're going to be given an equation. Now, if you remember right, he says he has taught you that on equations, we solve them by doing what's called the inverse operation. So today, when we do the inverse operation, that means do the opposite of what it shows. So if they gave me a problem like 2x equals 10, I could think of it as 2 times what equals 10, which is obviously 5. But the inverse operation of multiplying by 2 is to divide by 2, and x would equal 2 goes into 10 5 times. Now, on the converse, if they gave us x divided by 4 is equal to 4. Again, you might really look there and you might think that the answer is 1 real quick. But if it doesn't make sense that 1 divided by 4 is 4. So the opposite of dividing by 4 would be to multiply by 4, cancels, gives me x by itself, multiply by 4, and x would equal 16. Same way with addition or subtraction. If we have x plus 3 equals 7, it tells me to add 3. I do the opposite of that, which is come over here and subtract 3. And x would equal 4. Check it. 4 plus 3 is 7. Works the same way with subtracting. If it told me to subtract 5, I'd go to the other side and add 5. Got to get this set up. He didn't really give me head time on this. Sorry about that. I just forgot to kind of set up this other side over here. I tried to move this a little higher so maybe it won't give off that glare. He told me that you guys have been having a problem with your glare. Hi. By the way, Lake, if you're looking at this, you lied to me. You have not done D5, I believe. You told me it's all cut up the other day. I know these things. Okay. Well, looks like we still have a little bit of a glare. I'll try to move it up there just a little bit to see. Maybe right there is close as we're going to get. Okay, so on this problem, it has 52 equals W minus 36. So my goal is to get W by itself. It says subtract 36. So I go to the other side and add 36. So 52 plus 36 is 88. This particular problem, it says 36 equals 4 times n. 4n means 4 times n. It's showing multiply by 4. I come over there and divide 4 into 36. It goes 9 times. 4 times 9 is 36. So n equals 9. Over here, again, it's showing me divide by 8. So I'm going to go to the other side and multiply by 8. 9 equals W divided by 8. So when I go to the other side and multiply by 8, 9 times 8 is 72. No glare. All right. So, oh, what did I do? I know the correct answer is 70. Oh, apparently I missed the 2 when I put it in there. Whoops. Okay, so it says V minus 44 equals 36. So it's telling me to subtract 44. So I'm going to go to the other side and do the opposite of that, which I know is add 44. So I'm going to add 44 onto 36. Gives me 80. I'm going to go ahead and level up. Looks like it's jumping to 81% before they do anything different. Okay, 375 equals J minus 2. It says subtract 2. I go to the other side and add 2. So 375 plus 2 is 377. Oh, I know why Mr. Myers does this stuff. It's so wonderful and fun to be up here. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Okay, so it's telling me 19J, which means 19 times something is 456. The opposite of showing multiplication will be division. So I'm going to take 456 divided by 19. And when I punch in 456, hit divided by 19 equals 24. Okay, it says H subtracts 363 is 500. So I took away 363 and I end up with 543. So if I go back over there and add that 363 back on, it will give me my answer. So I'm going to take that 543 plus 363, and that is 906. There's back. I'm trying to work with it here. So I know it's getting to last week. Mr. Myers wanted me to tell you that he really wants you guys to finish up. I know it's kind of each week it seems like we're getting a few less times that we're working on these. Just got a week to go, guys. I put the grades in on every Sunday, so make sure you guys get that done. Have a good day.